Hello and welcome to the Listen to My Radio tutorial series. In this tutorial we are going to be taking a look at how to get your station listed on online radio directories like Shoutcast.com and TuneIn. First we want to explain differences between getting listed using Shoutcast1 and Shoutcast2. If you have used Shoutcast1, you may be familiar with the fact that to get listed using it, you only need to check a checkbox, and after 20 or 30 minutes of broadcasting, your station would appear on the shoutcast.com directory. In Shoutcast2, that's a bit different because you have to make a submission of your radio. We'll now explain how to get listed on shoutcast.com and the potential problems you might encounter, and then we'll explain how to get listed on TuneIn. The first thing you need to do is log into CentolaCast. We have already done that. Once you are in the CentolaCast panel, you need to enable public listing of your station. To do so, go to the settings under configuration option and go to the server overrides tab. Once you're there, you need to set the public server to always. That's already set in our case. Once you have done that, just update to save the change. The next thing we need to do is log in into the Shoutcast DNAS panel, where we'll be making the submission to the shoutcast.com directory. To log into the Shoutcast panel, you need to click on admin here under server. Once you're on the Shoutcast DNAS summary, you need to click on the administrator login on the right. Administrator login, a form will be presented to you. You need to enter admin in the username field, and your CentolaCast password, the one you use to log into CentolaCast, in the password field. Okay, then click on login. Once you are logged in, click on the create outhash link. Now you need to fill out this form. Under station name, you need to enter the name under which you want your station to show up on the shoutcast.com directory. In this example, I'm gonna just enter Listen to My Radio tutorial example. You can also enter a description of your radio, where you can describe what your radio is all about. Under genre, you need to select the type of station that you are running. For example, we'll just select talk here. Let's say technology. Under keywords, you enter the keywords for which you want your station to show up on the directory when someone's searching. We'll just send to Listen to My Radio. If your radio has a website, you can enter it here. If not, you can just leave it blank. Under country, you can set your country. If your station is internet only, you can select that option as well. In our case, that's it. You can also set the language of your radio. In our case, that's English. Leave the make primary server unchecked, and once you have filled in all of these, click the create outhash button. Now you just need to wait for 30 or so minutes, and your station should show up on shoutcast.com. If your station doesn't show up on shoutcast.com after 30 minutes, you need to remove and recreate the outhash. To remove the outhash, you need to log into the billing panel and click on the clear outhash button. To do that, you need to go to the billing panel, and then you just need to enter the email and password of your billing panel to log in. Please note that this isn't the email and password of your Shoutcast panel. It's an account you set up when you bought your first radio package with us. If you don't know your password, you can use the forgot password form here to have the password sent to you. Login. Once you're logged in, just scroll down until you see the clear outhash button. Click on it. Once you have clicked on it, you need to wait a minute, and then you need to restart your server in Shoutcast to apply the change. To restart the server, just click on restart here under server. Okay. Now just go back into the DNAS panel and recreate the autohash as we demonstrated earlier. If that still doesn't resolve the issue, please contact support and we will help you out with it. The next possible issue that you might encounter is that you create the outhash and everything's working fine, but you can't and no one else can hear any sound in your station. If that happens, you should also recreate the outhash, and if that doesn't help, please contact support. To get your station listed on TuneIn, you first need to submit your station. To do that, go to the following link. Once you're there, you need to fill out the form. You need to enter your station's name, your email, where you can be contacted, and your website. The stream URL field might require some clarification. To get the stream URL field, first go to Shoutcast and then go to the DNAS panel. To do so, go to server here and click on admin. Once you're there, click on stream 1 here, and then you will see a menu item here called listen. You need to right click on it with your mouse and use the copy link address option. Once you have that, just paste it into the stream URL field, and that's it. Now you just have to complete the rest of these fields and agree to the terms and click on sign me up.